how to set the Swann DVR camera for 580 to continuous recording or detection recording. So first we're going to go to the settings menu. So click on here and go to setup. In setup, you may need to put in the password when it asks you for the password. Now on the left hand side menu, click on record, and then you click on record schedule. In here, you can see there are two different types, detection or normal. Normal is the continuous recording. So you can click on normal. This will allow you to select continuous recording, which will highlight in green right here. So at the moment, this indicates, say, from 12 o'clock all the way to 24 hours, it will start continuous recording. So you can set a certain time schedule when to perform the continuous recording. Now the yellow box here is detections recording. So basically when it is set to yellow, it will allow you to set. So here you can see at during certain time, the camera will perform detection recording. If you don't select it, then during that time, during this time period right here, it will not record. Okay, so make sure it is highlighted in yellow for detection recording during this hour. Okay, so here during this hour, it will perform continuous recording in green. To turn off continuous recording, you select the green option over here, and then you deselect all the highlighted box. So simply drag and turn off. Okay, so it is now off. And that's how you can set it to continuous recording or record only on detection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Here, make sure that you select the appropriate channel. This one here only set it for the first channel. So if you want to make the changes for the second channel, the third channel, or the fourth channel. So when I'm saying channel, I'm referring to the camera. So camera number 1, camera number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. Now, if you say you make the changes to the first camera, you can also copy the settings. So click on copy. This will allow you to copy and apply the change to other cameras as well. So other cameras or other channels as well. And here you can apply to which days and which channels. And then just simply choose copy to apply the changes to other cameras as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.